Hi, and welcome to the second episode of YouTuber Helps YouTuber series right here on TunePocket. In the last episode, our guest Scott Dumas from Japan explained the 5 things that you need to land your first paid videography gig. Today we got a new guest, Joseph Sloan from Canada, who's gonna talk about how he went from being a full-time cook to full-time videographer.
So today's video is going to be about how I landed my first paid videography gig. And I've been passionate about video ever since I was 18. I've wanted to be on movie sets and telling stories through video. This is something I'm really excited about. And I got to work on movie sets as an extra, and I got to be an actor in student films, and that kind of led me to producing my own music videos with my own music and producing and directing and writing short films, and it all just sort of led me to get experience in the industry to lead me towards being paid for videography. And I got to do that. I met Sherrod Kare through his wife, who I was doing an acting class with, and we were doing a live performance, and he was there to see the performance. And then we became Facebook friends, and then a couple months later I saw that he was looking for a videographer on Facebook, and so I contacted him and we went out for lunch, and I pretty much got the job because I was passionate about video, because I didn't have a portfolio to show him or anything like that. I didn't even have a camera. I used his camera for the documentary shoot. And I just learned so much working with him, and it just solidified to me that I can make money in this field. So my advice for people who are looking to get paid in videography is to make lots of videos. Look up your favorite filmmaker or YouTuber and like storyboard out a scene or storyboard out a video that they've done, and then shoot it like scene for scene so that you can see what makes money, what people are looking for to get paid to do. And then look at like courses that you can do and do some courses. And also like look at for Facebook groups with videographers in your community, and then interact with them and then network with them. Or call up a production company in your area and then sit down and have a conversation with someone that works there that can give you some advice. That's what I did when I moved to Calgary. I contacted a production company here, and I went out for coffee with him so that he could and I asked lots of questions of like what kind of work you do and all this stuff, because then I learned so much from doing that helped me get off the ground, get my business off the ground, and really start working in the videography industry. And so I hope this video has helped you today, and I look forward to speaking with you next time. Have a great day.